So here's not what I wanted to have happen. Massive issue with this car. I'm 40 miles north of Vegas. It just seems like a crazy fuel starvation issue. If I stop and pull over, I can get the car going again for a couple miles, but it's like some kind of limp mode. Anyway, tow truck is on the way. Never a dull moment with these old things. Let the good times roll. So luckily I'm next to a truck stop and there's my car over there. Tow is on the way. I'm gonna head to the dealership and get dropped off. Well, this has been fun. Here we go. All right, we're gonna ditch this thing here at Acura Las Vegas and I'll wait for further notice. Meanwhile, I went ahead and booked a flight. I gotta get home to Phoenix tonight. This is not how I thought this day was gonna go. At this airport, you can actually gamble while you're at your gate. Second time's a charm. I'm catching another flight to go pick up the Integra. It's Saturday morning, about 5:30 in the morning here in Phoenix.
16 Mazda 6.
I've landed in Vegas. This is part of my adventure. And I'm heading to pick up the car again 10 days later. Well, I hope I get further this time than 100 miles down the freeway, so we'll see what happens. Hi from Vegas. I made it. There's Dane. He's my ride. Brought me over here in his Lincoln. We're gonna pick up my car, make sure it's good to go. I hope I get home 300 miles.
How about that?
Do a little window shopping while we're here. Why not, right? I might just leave the Integra and take this one. I got my car back. It looks good. So we're just gonna go grab a quick bite to eat maybe. But pretty happy with, again, getting this car in working order. Gotta get home. Gonna get a quick breakfast here and then I'll hit the road. There's Brandon's Legend! Looking classy as always. We're gonna try this again. I'm hitting the road to go to Phoenix. Arizona. Alright, I made it to Kingman, Arizona, just topping off my fuel tank. And $3.69 a gallon for premium. Car seems to be doing okay so far, so I'm a happy camper. Three hours to go. I have officially made it. This is the final stretch to home on Highway 51. These tires are just loud and obnoxious. That will be one of the first things to go. But overall, I'm very pleased with how this little car did. It wasn't until right now that I dared try the air conditioning just for the sake of having less of a load on the motor for this drive today. But everything appears to be functioning and operational. So home in just a few minutes. Home sweet home. It is a good feeling after as much as I've gone through to get both of these Integras back to my house. I don't think I'm doing any buying or shopping or selling anytime soon after all this is over with. That's a wrap.